In 1888, a blizzard was so catastrophic it changed how American cities were built forever. The Great White Hurricane dumped 50-foot snow drifts on New York City and froze trains onto the tracks. People died trying to walk a few blocks, and the city's above-ground telegraph wires all snapped under the ice. The chaos was so complete that the city decided they had to move their trains and wires underground. The New York subway system only exists because of one terrible weekend in March.